Here is a wonderful 2020 Mazda CX-5. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Presenting the Mazda CX-5, the efficient crossover with superb handling and a premium interior. Available all-wheel drive capability and flexible cargo space make this driver-focused compact SUV as versatile as it is beautiful. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: head-up display, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, keyless start. Be excited about the journey in this comfortable and capable CX-5. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.